Hi, this is Meteorologist Steve Pellettiere, and I am the Weatherman. Thanks for checking into the weathermanpod.com. On your Thursday, it's the 14th day of the month of August, 2025, quickly approaching the midway point of this month, a month that has been above normal temperature-wise so far across the northeast corridor, but we had some heavy thunderstorms move through central and eastern Pennsylvania, New York, New Jersey, and down into Maryland and D.C. That's associated with the frontal system that's going to become stationary probably right across the area around the middle portion of today, but then eventually start to dissipate as it goes further south. It's the same frontal system that caused a tremendous amount of flooding occurring over eastern Tennessee around Chattanooga during the daytime today. Also showers and thunderstorms all across Louisiana, sections of Mississippi, Alabama, even in Georgia and the Carolinas. That's also a good possibility for more of those thunderstorms today. This because there's basically no change from the pattern from yesterday, except that the frontal system is now stationary across New Jersey and eastern PA, down into around the central portion of Maryland and into the Shenandoah of Virginia. High pressure currently building across the Great Lakes will move east and should give us some decent weather for the next several days. But for today, look for clouds and the possibility of more showers and thunderstorms. That's a possibility with temperatures in the upper 80s. The high pressure starts to build in during the daytime on Friday and Saturday and Sunday. Friday's high temperatures 80s to near 90. Saturday also near 90, but into the 90s, 90 to 95. For the next frontal system, now working its way out of central and west Canada, will be arriving in the east and probably bringing us some more agreeable weather towards the middle of next week. In the meantime, if you're flying today, it looks like some severe weather is a possibility across central and southern New England. Also, showers and thunderstorms are a possibility, but on the lighter side, probably not as bad as they were on Wednesday in the New York area, Philadelphia, and Baltimore. More showers and thunderstorms are likely across the Carolinas, as mentioned, in northern and central portions of Georgia, extending down into Florida. Also looking across into the Great Lakes, some dry weather moving into Chicago and also into Wisconsin. But there will be some rainy conditions in the Minneapolis-St. Paul area, but just light delays flying into there. Houston will have some showers and thunderstorms, so some delays expected there. Hazy, hot, and humid in Dallas-Fort Worth. Looks like generally dry conditions over the West Coast, but rainy weather moving into Portland and Seattle. But no major weather delays aviation-wise in the Pacific Northwest. The early morning reports on Tropical Storm Erin as of about 5 a.m. on Thursday the 14th. Maximum sustained winds showing up at around 55 miles per hour. Minimum central pressure at about 1,000 millibars. And movement towards the west at 14 knots. And will continue this movement over the next several days, probably becoming a hurricane, then a major hurricane over the next 24 to 48 hours. But because of the frontal system that's over the northeast, and that frontal system and high pressure starting to build in from the Great Lakes, it'll probably take a path that'll be up along the eastern seaboard, then eventually just skirting the eastern seaboard over this upcoming weekend into the middle of next week, causing rough surf and heavy seas and some tidal flooding as a possibility from Delmarva all the way up through New Jersey, Long Island, and New England over the next, let's say, 4 to 7 days as the storm continues to be moving towards almost the north and then northeast, staying safely off into the Atlantic, however, just brushing by the eastern seaboard. I'm Meteorologist Steve Pellettiere, and I am the Weatherman. Hope you have a great day today. Next update coming up on Friday. Hope you have a good Thursday. Talk to you first thing tomorrow. Take care.